this video, I'm going to give a brief tutorial on how you can claim the disability amount for an eligible dependent. In order to reduce your tax liability, individuals with a disabled dependent may be able to claim a disability amount. Once you have your return opened, navigate to the family work chart. In this scenario, we have an individual who has a total income of $75,000 with a balance owing of around $5,000. If we take a look at the family work chart, we can see that he is claiming his mother as a dependent. In this case, the individual's mother is disabled, however, currently he is not claiming the disability amount. In order to claim the deduction, navigate to the Dependent Deduction section of the family work chart and check the box that indicates that the mother is disabled. As you can see, the tax liability for this individual has decreased. If applicable, you can also claim the caregiver amount to further lower your balance owing. As you can see, the balance owing for this return has gone from around $5,000 to around $2,300. This was a brief demonstration on how you can claim the disability amount in order to lower your tax liability. For more information, you can check out the CRA website or take a look at our other videos. Thanks for watching.